Good morning, guys. Brian with VetteSource here, checking in, taking a look at a pair of rear brake caliper assemblies and rotors for C5 Corvette. These were removed from a 2004 model, but they actually will bolt up to all years, 1997 and 2004 for C5s. They're actually in really good shape. They've been painted blue from what I can tell. I don't believe this was a factory option. The blue calipers, I may be wrong, I've got to look into that a little bit deeper, but I'm pretty sure these were painted after the fact. They've got aftermarket rotors on them, which still are in good shape. They've got plenty of meat on the bones if you want to use them still. They've got the caliper brackets and the mounting hardware, even though I'd recommend changing those bolts for new ones, just because they tend to not hold as tight second time around. But these are in really good shape, ready to install, removed from a non-accident damaged car. So everything's ready for you if you're looking for a replacement or upgrade to another car you want to put Corvette brakes on. I also have the full, complete set of front brakes. So if you look through my other videos, you'll see those there too. So if you have any questions or need any other C5 parts, just give me a call. My name is Brian with VetteSource. My number is 832-654-7367. Thanks.